deposit a check on RBC Bank Online. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to deposit a check on Royal Banks of Canada's official website. So in order to deposit a check in your RBC's mobile app, you need to first download the mobile application in your device, and after that just click on the menu icon from the top right corner of the screen, and after that just click on the move money section from the list given below, and from there just go to the deposit a check section and just simply tap on it, and after that just read the terms and condition and tap on the continue to acknowledge them. And once you are on the deposit check screen, tap on the camera icon in the first box. You may be prompted to allow the RBC mobile app to access your camera, and after that just read the tips on the screen, and when you are ready to click on picture, just click on continue, and after that just follow the prompts on the screen, and when your frame is aligned, the sensor will automatically take the photo of the check that you are scanning in the front, and after that just simply use the photo in the bottom right corner, and after that just rotate your phone back to the vertical position and tap on the camera in the second box. And once you have the photo with you, just enter the amount on the top right corner, and after that a numeric keypad will appear, so you can enter the exact amount of the check that you would want to mention, and after that just click on done and tap on the deposit into, and list of your account will appear, and tap on the one you want to deposit the check into, just click on continue. If you need to make changes in the account you have chosen or amount, just tap on edit and repeat the earlier steps, and if you are ready just click on deposit now. Your check has now been successfully submitted, and the fund will be deposited into your account right away, but it may take up to few days for these funds to become available for you to use. You can now go ahead and tap on either home screen or just click on the menu section or the deposit another check if you want to add another check after that. So yeah, that is basically how you will be able to deposit a check in your RBC's bank online. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.